Hi folks, just a quick tutorial and demonstration of our new application from Pocket SLP. It is a minimal pairs application designed to help target phonological processes. So you'll see here this is done on an iPad, however it is available for iPod Touch and iPhone as well. I already have a number of names in here, but if you want to add a name, you just click Add Name and you can enter their first and last name and also level. So you can choose to make it a receptive activity, expressive, or you can do both at the same time. And I will let you know more about how those work as we move along here. So with this application, you can see more than one client at a time. So let's go ahead and pick two. And just to get going, just do New Session. And you'll notice it has their names in here, and it already has their phonological processes. Once you have selected whichever ones they're working on, the application will remember what they're working on, and from that point on you just have to click their names and hit Start Session, and you're ready to go. A few settings here. You can choose to, if there's more than one client, do them in order and have them take turns, or keep them on their toes with random. Let's do in order. Flashcard order is the cards can come randomly, or the application can remember, if you do favor correct, what the student has gotten correct previously, and then it will front load the deck with what they've gotten right in previous sessions. This just to help them start off on a good note. And sounds you can have on, off, or silly. So let's get started. Just hit Start Session. And the cards will come in face down, and it has their name on it. So this is so we know whose turn it is. And they're also color coded for whether it's an expressive or a receptive activity. To see the card, just tap the card.
B. Beach.
And you'll notice it says the name of the card. And if you want to hear it again, just tap the card again.
Beach. B.
And up here, quite a few icons. This is the expressive, so if they say it right, then we could just either say or right, wrong, or approximate. So say they got it right, and it will advance the cards. And next you'll see there's a different color. This is for our receptive activity. And let's turn them over.
Couch. Cow.
Okay, so this one is probably final consonant deletion. So let's say they choose cow.
Cow.
They're listening for their sound or sounds that they have errors with. Say they choose the wrong one. The application will record their first response. However, we still want them to be able to go back and hear the right one.
Couch.
And then they can choose the right one to advance.
Page. Pay.
Okay, and you'll notice quite a few icons up here. This is if you want to record what they said, just page, pay, and you'll notice then this will light up and you can play it right back to them, and it's also stored within the application, and we'll go back and show you a little bit later how you can go back and hear those.
Car. Tar.
Up here you'll see this I button. So say they're fronting and they're saying "t" for "k," then we go up here, hit the I button, and go, okay, you are saying "t," but you should be saying "k." So these diagrams just kind of show them the tongue position and how they should, what they should be saying, or how they should be saying their target sounds. So let's say they got this one right.
Teach. Teeth.
Last thing, if you don't want to target a certain one, you can just hit the skip button.
Sail. Jail.
And that's pretty much the functionality of the actual cards. When you're done, you hit this button and it'll give you a summary. And notice right here, this one is in blue. This is the one that we recorded, so you could just touch that and it'll play it right back for you. And also, as I said, it's stored. This is some of the information that it keeps. It lets them know what they got right, approximate, or wrong. If you'd like, you can just print directly from here. You can print all of them or just a specific student, or you can email. And you can also go back if you need to. For now, let's just hit done, show you a few more things. We can, let's say we want to see, this is the exciting part for me. You click their names and hit reports. And you can see here that you can go and choose any session that has ever been to see reports with, or you can just do all sessions if you want. But by default, it will just be the last one that they did. So we have 3 different types of reports that you can view. One is a spreadsheet, so we just hit show report. And it will say the students' names, the date, the processes, and how they did with raw scores and percentages. And here also, you can print or email if you would like. And one of the other types of reports that we have, we call it the report card, similar to what you saw when the session ended, and it gives their percentages and the actual words that they missed or got correct. One kind of exciting feature of this is the homework text. So say you want to send this off to parents, just click on and show reports again. And what this will do is it'll say how they did, same information, but it also gives some instructions to the parent as to how and what to practice. And then it gives them some parent comments and therapist comment boxes. So hopefully parents will leave some comments for you. And then last but not least, we can go to graph. This is pretty cool. You'll notice it says last 5 sessions right here. So this will show a line graph of how they've done over the last 5 sessions. Pretty cool. And you can also just print or email that as well. So that's basically it with the reports. One last thing, you can go to today's reports here. So say you've done quite a few students in the day and you don't want to have to go select them. You can just hit today's reports and say you want to send their report card home. Show today's reports, and it'll show all the students that you worked with today, and you can just print them off or email them. And that's basically the functionality of the application. We hope that you all will enjoy it and that you find it very useful in therapy. Thank you very much. Bye.